Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your current build and ensuring 22H2 is the correct target, open settings, and check about. Once done, free roughly 20 GB of space and plug into power. Updates fail on low battery. Make sure you have a stable network, preferably wired for speed and fewer dropouts. You should create a backup or a system restore point now, because updates modify system files. After these checks, move to Windows Update and prepare to download the feature update. You'll now use Windows Update to download and install 22H2. Open Settings, navigate to Windows Update and click Check for updates. If the 22H2 feature appears, tap Download, then install and follow on-screen prompts. Some steps require a restart. While downloading, pause large transfers and close apps that use disk-I/O to prevent slowdowns. Once the installer stages files, Windows will prepare and reboot multiple times. Make sure to watch progress and note any error codes you might see for troubleshooting. You finish by letting Windows complete final configuration and multiple restarts. After the last reboot, check Settings System about to confirm 22H2. Once confirmed, run Windows Update again to pull cumulative patches and updated drivers. This cleans residual issues. If things go wrong and installation fails, try Windows Update Troubleshooter first. As one key troubleshooting tip, use the Update Assistant or Media Creation tool to upgrade manually.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.